Mini Uno Bullseye, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There are new targeted action cards for Skip, Draw 2, Reverse, and Wild Draw 4. These cards work like normal, with the added effect that when you play one of these targeted action cards, you pick the player for the effect to target. If it is a draw card, then they draw those cards immediately, but no turns are skipped. You are still allowed to challenge a targeted Wild Draw 4. If it is a skip, then that player's next turn is skipped. If it is a reverse, then after that player's turn completes, the direction of play reverses. If that player played a reverse, then it cancels out the targeted reverse and play continues in the current direction. When playing for points, targeted cards are worth the same as non-targeted cards.